Listen. That sound. It's the sound of the printer industry laughing all the way to the bank. They sell you a cheap printer, knowing they'll bleed you dry on ink for years. But what if I told you that in 2026, their entire business model is collapsing? We've uncovered a new wave of printers where the price tag isn't a lie. Where the ink costs pennies. Where the machine itself is practically free. The big brands are terrified of this video. Let's show you why. Number 1. Brother INKvestment 4355. Take productivity to the next level with the Brother INKvestment MFC J4355DW wireless color printer all-in-one. An easy-to-use 1.8-inch color display provides enhanced functionality, with the ability to connect directly to popular cloud apps and Page Gauge, which monitors your ink usage so you know when you're running low. Streamline your workflow with the included 150-sheet paper tray, 1-sheet manual feed slot, 20-sheet single-sided automatic document feeder, ADF, and flatbed scanner/copier functionality, and automatic duplex printing. Get the most out of your printer with advanced print speeds, Wi-Fi Direct, and multiple connectivity options. Plus, the convenience to complete your work wherever you go. You can print directly from your mobile device from virtually anywhere with the Brother Mobile Connect app. Produce beautiful personal and business prints in vibrant color and bold blacks at fast print speeds with LC506 Brother Genuine Ink cartridges, the only brand we recommend for your Brother INKjet printer. Try one of our smart delivery systems with Refresh and have your ink delivered automatically, before you run out. Includes a 2-month free Refresh Easy Print subscription trial and built-in savings of up to 50%. Number 2. Canon MegaTank G3270. Most low-priced multifunction inkjets have high running costs. In other words, they're cheap to buy, but you can wind up spending a pretty penny on ink. The Canon PIXMA G3270 is an exception. It's reasonably affordable and also cheap to operate. Its ink comes in bottles and is rated at nearly 6,000 monotext pages and 7,700 color pages for the starter set of cyan, yellow, magenta, and black ink you get. For any ink you buy beyond that, the cost per page works out to 0.3 cent per monotext page and 0.8 cent per color page. At less than a penny per page, whether color or monochrome, the cost per page for the ink is clearly the big appeal here. Add impressive-looking output given the price, plus a flatbed for light-duty copying and scanning, and you get lots of high-quality output for very little money. Number 3. HP LaserJet M209d. The HP LaserJet M209d lacks Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, so it's best suited to single-user duty, but its price, output quality, and solid performance are enough to earn it our Editor's Choice Award for a budget laser for light duty. Physical setup for the M209d is notably easy, and paper handling is robust, with a 150-sheet input tray and automatic duplexing. Plus, the M209d offers better print quality than most lasers in its price range. Number 4. Canon Selphy CP1500 Wireless Compact Photo Printer. The CP1500 weighs 2.5 pounds with the paper cassette and its die roll inserted, but not the optional battery, which can print up to 54 photos per charge. This model can print from an SD or micro SD card, a USB thumb drive. You get a Type-C, not Type-A, port for that, an iOS or Android phone or tablet, or a Mac OS or Windows PC, and it can connect via USB cable or Wi-Fi. In our tests, the CP1500 printed each sample photo in a bit less than a minute, complete with a protective coating. And the die sub picture comes out fully waterproof, without needing drying time, and with a long-promised lifetime, rated at 100 years. Number 5. Brother QL800. For those whose labeling needs fall on the paper side of the paper or plastic divide, i.e., they need address labels, folder labels, and the like, it's hard to beat Brother's QL800. This gadget can churn out labels in types and sizes ranging from one-line barcodes to address labels and everything in between. It can print labels on rolls up to 2.4 inches wide, but that doesn't mean it can't print a 1.25 by 3-inch address label. The trick is to orient the labels on the roll the right way. Brother offers both continuous tape and die-cut labels, including one type that lets you print in red instead of or in addition to the usual black. Whether you need to design and print labels from Windows, Mac, or Android devices, the QL800 can handle the job nicely. And that's the proof. You don't have to be rich to print freely. The winner isn't just a cheap printer, it's a declaration of independence from outrageous ink prices. To stop overpaying for good, every single link to these game-changing printers is in the description below, with the latest prices and pre-order deals. If this video just saved you hundreds of dollars, do your wallet a favor, smash that like button, share this money-saving secret with a friend, and subscribe for more deals they don't want you to find. Happy printing!